Hello everyone, my name is Bhojraj Khanal and today I am going to present on sprint 1 of our project Automated Client Complaint Management using a ticketing system. There are 3 members in my group, me, Deepak and Roman. As part of our project, our first sprint started on 24th of August and completed on 4th of September. Our first sprint was about designing the pages for registration, login, and frequently asked questions. We have included all 5 user stories as part of first sprint. These user stories included sign up in the system by new user, log into the system by the registered user, log into the system for admin, uh, view frequently asked question by public user, and view the preset responses of frequently asked question by a registered user. This is the evidence of work done by our group members. We used Jira software to divide work among us, and we worked individually on the part assigned to us, and we update the status of the work, either completed or ongoing, like that, and that's how we are working on this project. These are the view of pages developed by my friends. Login page was developed by Deepak, and the frequently asked questions page was designed by Roman. In this sprint, my role was to create a page for registering an account by a public user, the new user. I have also specified username and password requirements for the user to register in the system. I have studied and created some diagrams, control flow diagrams, use case diagrams to identify the requirements. And also I have done some literature review. I used Python programming language to design the page for registration of new user. As I am from software engineering group, I have used my knowledge gained in previous semesters in this project. I prepared flow diagrams for the system for defining requirements for the user, admin, and engineers. Also, I have done coding using Python programming language, and I use Django framework for designing the web page. So these are the common skills I acquired in my previous semesters, and I have used those in this project. There are many things I have learned from the last sprint, the sprint 1. Among them, using the right tool is important to complete the project, and time management is very important, as we used Jira's software to divide and track our work status. I also learned that communication between the stakeholders and getting ideas and reflection from them is very important for continuing the project, and maintaining focus on the main goal of the client is very important. Also, receiving feedback from the client, correct errors and mistakes we have done in our coding design part is equally important. As I can say that we did our best to complete our sprint 1. However, there are still some things that could have been included and could have gone better. We could have used images on registration and login pages to make them more attractive. Also, we could have included more user stories, including dashboard for user, admin, and engineer, because there are much work to do in the next sprints. It will be easier to complete the next sprint if we have included that in this sprint. Thank you.